welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sovina and today we're going to be doing a DIY skincare face mask because my skin has been bad recently. As y'all can see, I got like 2 pimples and I have not given my skin the TLC required. I have been neglecting my skincare for the longest time, and now I'm going to be doing a DIY face mask which helped me so much in the past. So this face mask is the Fuller's Earth, also called as Multani Mitti. It's in removing all the excess oil and dirt because it absorbs all the oil and dirt from your skin and helps to tighten the pores as well. So this is a natural DIY face mask for glowing skin so that your skin will have a glow and radiance as well. It is suitable for all skin types, be it oily, dry or combination. It is used as a cleanser as well as a toner because it scrapes out all the excess oil and dirt and impurities present in your skin. It is helpful for pimples, blackheads, whiteheads. It helps to improve blood circulation and helps to tighten your pores. And the main thing, it gives you the glow and radiance that your skin needs. So let's make it. Let me show you how it's made. So firstly, y'all will need a clean bowl and multani powder. I've ordered it from Amazon, so you can as well. And then you have to add 2.5 tablespoons of multani mitti or multani powder into a clean bowl and give it a good mix. Then you can add 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of rose water, or if not, you can just add water. Then give it a good mix and create a smooth paste out of it. And apply the smooth mixture all over your face, a thick layer of multani mitti all over your face. Now there are many variations as well, so you can add tomatoes or papaya puree into it to remove tanning or give it some extra moisture by adding papaya. Then you can add milk as well or honey as well to your mixture. And apply the mixture all over your face and neck as well, and I've applied it on my hands because I don't want to do neck this time. And you have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes and it will dry out something like this, like your hands and face will dry out, so you will know it's time. And you have to wash it with lukewarm water and then pat dry your face with a clean cloth. And I feel so fresh and clean after this, but it's important to moisturize your skin after the mask as well. So I'm applying a moisturizer all over my face and then a body lotion on my hands. Now my face feels so clean and glowing and radiant after this face mask. This is my all-time favorite DIY face mask which gives me such good results all the time. And make sure y'all to use this face mask and let me know in the comment section how did it work for y'all as well. So see y'all in the next one.